Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning practical number 4. The practical number 4 is basically to analyze the group data by calculating the statistical measures like count, average and standard deviation for each category. Let me take you to the question. It's the question. Code is import pandas as PD. I have already explained in the previous video. Do check it out. Data is equal to curly brackets, category, subcategory, value, score. Data is a dictionary which I have created over here, which has 4 lists, that is category, subcategory, value, and score. Next, we have df is equal to pd.dataframe data, which converts my dictionary into a data frame, that is table format. So I'll show you how the data would be look like. This is how the data would be. You have category, subcategory, and value and score. Next, we have group is equal to df.group by category, comma, subcategory. So it will make it into group. The rows will be on the basis of the group, which has category and the subcategory. And there would be calculations will be also done by the group wise. Summary is equal to group.agg, which has value and score, count, mean, standard deviation, which applies the aggregate function on each group. For value column, it calculates the count, means, and standard deviation. Same thing for the score also. And print summary, which displays the final group summary table after all the calculation. So I'll show you how does the grouping is being formed. So this is the raw data which I've already shown you. This is how the grouping is formed. So you can see category, subcategory, count, mean and standard deviation, which will be calculated for these particular values. And this particular area is for score, count, mean, standard deviation. So whatever the values which are there for the score will be counting in each category how many are there, and basis on that the mean and the standard deviation is being calculated. You can check it out the practical number 3 where I have taught how to calculate the mean, standard deviation and etc. See, output is this. So just like I've shown you in the Excel sheet how it is being grouped. So after calculation it will display you like this. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.